So let's in the meantime talk about another Congress MP, and that is Priyanka Gandhi, on the Parliamentary Affairs Minister's video that he has posted saying and refuting the allegation, saying that we did not abuse anyone, and saying that I had one or two MPs, but however they were agitated, but they had presented their point of view across.
अब्यूज नहीं किया। कुछ एक दो एमपी थे जिनको जो थोड़े ज़्यादा नाराज़ थे, तो उन्होंने वो एक्सप्रेस किया, अपनी नाराज़गी एक्सप्रेस की, और मैंने ये भी देखा है कि मैं पीछे से इनकरेज कर रही थी, बिल्कुल झूठे में चुपचाप बैठी थी, और अंत में मैंने एक दो चीज़ें बोली शांति से स्पीकर साहब को।
Well, Pragya, as far as when it comes to the controversy around who all were the people, as far as the opposition MPs are concerned, there were certain who were pointing fingers as well. This is what Kiren Rijiju seems to be now talking about, saying that this was abusive and shameful behavior on part of the opposition MPs. However, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra refuting the allegations.
Well, majority of them were Congress MPs, in fact, Amita, and this particular video has also been shot by one of the Congress MP. And in fact, this is their own video, and based on that video, it looks like the body language and posturing was very aggressive, considering Speaker is a person who listens to each and every party leader, and also these opposition party leaders and MPs, in fact, go freely in the Speaker's chamber, and Speaker listens to them. So there was no reason for them to be aggressive, to shout and to blame. You may be agitated, but that is very unbecoming of an MP, because you're standing in Parliament. And there are ways and methods to put your point across. You know, there is a way to write it down for Speaker to have a chit chat with the Speaker rather than shouting. And Speaker did not say even utter a word. So whatever they wanted to say to Speaker in that aggressive tone, Mr. Rijiju was there. So he was also a witness to all those scenes, and this is why Mr.
Yes,
Rijiju
so on this very notion, the Speaker advised the Prime Minister from against coming to the Lok Sabha on that very day, on the 4th of February at 5 p.m. when he was supposed to address the Lok Sabha on the motion of thanks to the President's address. Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Well, the political showdown, the Sansad showdown continues to escalate. We'll be heading into a very short break.